Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of drought-resistant flowers. If you want a stunning garden that thrives even in dry conditions, you're in the right place. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about why drought-resistant flowers are so important. They conserve water, require less maintenance, and are often more resilient to pests and diseases. First up is lavender. This fragrant flower not only attracts pollinators, but also thrives in dry, sunny spots. Next, we have Echinacea. Known for its beautiful blooms, it's a tough plant that can withstand drought conditions. Number 3 is the black-eyed Susan. These bright yellow flowers are heat-tolerant and perfect for any garden. Coming in at number 4, Sedum varieties are succulent flowers that store water, making them ideal for dry gardens. At 5, we have Yarrow. This hardy plant not only tolerates drought, but also attracts beneficial insects. Number 6 is Russian sage. Its silvery foliage and purple flowers make it a stunning addition to any landscape. 7th is the daylily. These resilient flowers come in various colors and thrive with minimal water. 8th on the list is Coreopsis. Known for its bright blooms, it's a low-maintenance flower that loves the sun. 9th is Gaillardia. These vibrant, daisy-like flowers are drought-tolerant and attract butterflies. At number 10, we have zinnias. These colorful flowers bloom all summer long and thrive in dry conditions. 11th is Salvia. Not only does it add color, but it's also a magnet for pollinators and drought-resistant. Number 12 is alyssum. This low-growing flower has a sweet fragrance and can handle dry spells. 13th is marigold. These cheerful flowers are easy to grow and can tolerate dry conditions. 14th, we have hens and chicks. These unique plants are not only drought-resistant, but also fun to grow. And finally, at number 15, the butterfly bush. This stunning plant is drought-tolerant and attracts butterflies to your garden. There you have it, our top 15 drought-resistant flower plants. These beauties will keep your garden vibrant while saving water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite drought-resistant flowers in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!